50 by 50 cm rounds with lightning diamonds. So basically, It and I Dreamt I Could Fly is part of the new collection under Anna Dittmann that we have had at the shop, released I believe last month, and these come with your choice of 2 different special drills. So I'm showing it on the screen right now, these designs under Anna Dittmann's collection. These are the latest under hers, and they are beautiful designs, and these come with free special beads of your choice, one of the other. So she's chosen electric diamonds and lightning diamonds respectively for these 2 paintings. So I'm going to show you the different versions that you could use to sort of conduct your own special treatment on this. For now, we're showing you one way to do it. So remember, you can choose to follow one aspect of that suggestion, or you can choose to follow the entire thing. But basically what you see in the videos for the special drills ideas is going to be the same amount of drills that you'll be getting for these same paintings. For It by Anna Dittmann in 65 by 50 cm, the suggestion for the special drills that come with this, and the one chosen for this particular painting is electric diamonds, is to sprinkle it in what she's wearing. This is like some sort of a fur material. So sprinkle it in those areas and it will add a nice sparkle to your painting. And for I Dreamt I Could Fly in 50 by 50 cm by Anna Dittmann, the special beads chosen for this painting is lightning diamonds. So we're showing you where you can place the lightning diamonds, particularly in those highlights, the lightest areas on the canvas surrounding her skin. We can see the beads shining, so simply sprinkle it in those areas. And then there are some areas that you will actually be outlining. We're about to see some of the curves that you will follow for the lightning diamonds, just to give it a nice extra touch right there. It's like a feather on her head, so simply follow those lines together with those waves going down from the nape of her neck. So those are some of the highlights that you could put emphasis on for your lightning diamonds.